Hey guys, it's Dan here with Oregon Outdoor Lighting. We're gonna do something a little different today. A lot of times clients will ask us why we use garden light fixtures versus some of the other ones that are available on the market or fixtures from big box stores. Well, we're gonna walk you through this and I think you'll see why after we're done. So this client here had some lights that we installed for him on a sign for his business. Last weekend, a guy came through here driving about 80 miles an hour, lost control of his vehicle, completely destroyed a masonry planter that the lights were on. He came through, destroyed the planter sign, and knocked over the lights. The first light was pretty safe because he was going forward, the light just knocked itself over. The second light, he actually hit with the bricks and his car, completely pulled the light out of the ground, kind of nicked up the finish a little bit, but check this out. So as you can see, the lights still work. We can talk all day about quality, but we wanted to show you this because I don't think there are many other occasions where a car is going to hit your lights going 80 miles an hour, but at least you know if somebody did, they'd still work. Again, that's why we use garden light fixtures versus anything else on the market. I'm Dan with Oregon Outdoor Lighting. Have a good day.